When it surfaced, the ocean changed before anyone noticed. Tides rose without storms, buoys drifted out of pattern, whale migrations stopped completely. At first, it looked like coincidence. Then the silence began. Entire coastlines reported it. Fishermen said the sea stopped making sound. No waves, no foam, no gulls. Events the wind refused to touch the water like it was holding its breath, and then came the hum, that deep rhythmic vibration, not through speakers, not through machines, through everything, the ground, the walls, the air in your lungs, every frosty 2 seconds, every 42 seconds. People near the Pacific Rim started bleeding from their ears. Radios caught strange distortions, fragments of sonar layered with voice repeating a single phrase. We have arrived. Satellite's image showed a shadow below the central Pacific, 80 miles wide, moving northeast. The Orpheus deep coordinates when it reached shallow water. Instruments went dark, all oceanic sensors offline, but eyewitness described the same thing. The sea rose not in waves, in shape, a curve smooth and black, reflecting the clouds. Not water, not land, something between. The coast guard deployed drones, non-return footage, only sound, a heartbeat, wet and slow. At night, lights began appearing off the coast, not ships but rows of dull yellow orbs glowing under the surface, stretching for miles. People said they could hear whispers when they looked at them too long. Then on the seventh day, the ocean split just for a moment, like a mouth opening beneath the moon. Every ship within range lost contact instantly. The noise stopped, total silence. By dawn, the sea looked normal again, calm, blue, harmless, except now the frequency was not gone. It had moved. Land-based seismographs began detecting it faint but steady every 42 seconds, echoing under continents. Scientists call it tectonic resonance, but the last surviving researcher from the Orpheus Deep project called it something else before disappearing. It is not the ocean waking up, it's the world remembering what sleeps beneath it. The ocean won't stop breathing. Hosted by you, Harbor, witnessed 2:47 a.m. I live in a small coastal town in Oregon. I fish, fix boats, and occasionally check this sub when I cannot sleep. I never thought I had actually post here, but something's been happening for the past 3 nights, and I need someone to tell me I am not going insane. The ocean's breathing, not waves, not wind, actual breathing. You can feel it through the dock. That slow, deep pressure, like someone exhaling beneath your feet. It started 2 nights ago. Right after a tremor, we bravely felt the harbor. Cameras flickered, the water went perfectly still, and then this low vibration started. It's not random. Not random either. I timed it 42 seconds exactly. I thought maybe it was a cargo ship or seismic activity. I checked NOAA's feeds, nothing. The nearest active fault's been quiet for months, but then tonight it got louder. You can hear it in your chest like a heartbeat, but backwards, inhaling instead of beating. Even my dog won't go near the pier. He just stand at the door, growling at the water and the lights. Yeah, that's the part that really got me. At 1 a.m. I saw these faint yellowish orbs under the surface, maybe a dozen at first, then more. They were lined up in a rows like something organized, something built. When I leaned over, I swear I heard whispering muffled by the water, the kind of sound you cannot unhear once it finds your frequency. I tried recording it on my phone, but every clip comes out silent except for one faint thump at the start. I googled everything, ship, shipwrecks, sonar glitches, even urban legends, and then I found it some old archived page from 2016 mentioning a ship called the Orpheus Deep. No pre-list, no return, and that same number 42 second. I know how this sounds. I know you all think it's another I saw thing post, but I just went outside again to prove to myself I was imagining it. The breathing stopped. Now it's quite completely still, and that's somehow worse because when I looked out toward The horizon, I saw something blocking the moonlight, something rising. It's miles away, but I can see the shape, smooth black and glistening like wet glass. The water is starting to move backward now away from shore. The air tastes like salt and metal, and the dock is pulsing again. If anyone's awake on the west coast, please just listen, turn off everything, step outside. Tell me if you can hear it too. Every 42 seconds. 3 hour ago, man, I live down in Crescent City. I went outside after reading this just to mess around, and yeah, I feel it. Not a sound, more like pressure in my ears, like when you are on a plane every 40 something seconds. My neighbors' wind chimes keep rattling at the same time. 2 hours ago, can confirm I work on the new NOAA weather boy maintenance team. Several boys went offline around 2:40 am Pacific. We are not supposed to talk about it. What's ever happening is not wind.